Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to upload project or design on Behance. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to upload a project or design to Behance, all you gotta do is simply navigate to your profile. So once you navigate to your profile, click on the share your work, then select project option. Now you can simply add your content, continue, and then provide a title. Select a creative field, add tags, and choose a cover image to complete your project or design. You can also save the design as a draft or publish the project. Once you have added all your project elements, click on continue, and this will also take you to a page where you can add a project title and do such stuffs. However, if you're using a prototype from platforms like Figma, you can embed them into your Behance presentation as well. So this is how you can upload project or design on Behance. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.